Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Denuvo tried to delete token. Is Hypervisor running error on your Windows PC? First, disable the Windows Hypervisor. Click the Start button, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. In the window, type this command exactly as shown, then press Enter. After the command is completed, restart your computer. If the error is still there after the restart, you should disable additional virtualization features. Open the Windows search bar, type Windows features on or off, and press Enter. In the list, uncheck Hyper-V, Virtual Machine Platform, and Windows Hypervisor Platform. Click OK, wait for the changes to finish, and restart your PC again. Another fix is to run the game as an administrator. Close your game launcher completely, including any background processes in the system tray. Then open your game installation folder, right-click the main game executable file, and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and enable Run this program as administrator. Click Apply and then click OK. After completing these steps, launch the game and see if the Denuvo error has been resolved. Thanks for watching.